examination hall, what are some of the common mistakes a student does and how can you avoid those? So we'll be focusing on 4 common mistakes. The most common mistake, you spend too much of the time on one question which you are finding difficult. So for a moment, leave that question, skip that question, move to the next question and attempt the remaining questions. Mark that question, come back to that question once you have completed the remaining paper. That was point number 1. Point number 2, you are not reading the question carefully. Ignoring the words like not, except can actually put you in trouble, and if there is a negative marking, you can lose marks on that ground. The third thing is very important, specifically if the examination is an objective examination, that means multiple choice questions. In that case, what happens is sometimes you don't solve the questions within yourselves. Okay, that means you go through the choices. When you go through the choices, you get confused. So it's a good idea to actually read the question, solve it, and then look on to the choices. In the first round, don't see the choice. Attempt the question by yourself. So that's the third important point. And the fourth important point is sometimes the clue or the hint is given within the question. When you are reading the question, you are not thoroughly reading the question and you skip the clue or the hint. So read the question carefully, have a sound sleep, proper rest before your examination. Don't panic during the time of examination, and that's how you can actually get rid of some of the most common mistakes you commit in your examination.